The Ovos K6DDA lever knob handle is the latest design in the range. The inspiration behind this product was to provide a very different look to the rest of the Ovos range, yet satisfy all UK disability requirements. A traditional knob was married to our V6 STR lever handle, and so the knob lever was born. It is manufactured from solid cast stainless steel. The K6DDA can be fitted chunky or slim by reversing the installation. All Ovos handles are designed to be both attractive and ergonomic. The finish shown is in satin stainless steel, and other finishes are to order. Designed by Kearney.com.